Hello, everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, so you all can say good afternoon so that at least know that you all are there.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we'll just do a few practice questions of expansions. From tomorrow, we'll start a new chapter, which is factorization. Solve this question. Quickly solve this. If x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3x, find the values of x squared plus 1 by 9x squared and x4 plus 1 by 84x4. If anyone is not able to answer, as usual, just raise your hand. But I'm expecting everyone should be able to do all these sums by now. Quickly, only 4 minutes to solve this entire question, 2 minutes each. Come on, quickly. Ishan, no, that's incorrect. X minus 2 is 1 upon 3x. Ishan, it's still incorrect. The answer is in a fraction, Ishan. You're way off. Something has gone wrong somewhere. Check. Rest of you, hurry up. Ishan, it's x plus 1 upon 9x, x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared. Think what will what is the missing thing we need to find, and whether that is equivalent to the identity which we know or not. Or do we need to do 2ab? Anyone not able to solve this? Last 1 minute. Raise your hand if you cannot solve it. Ishan, the answer is in a fraction. Paki, that's correct. Ishan, you're doing something basically wrong. Just think, I know where you're going wrong. Think where you're going wrong, Ishan. Paki, go on to the second one. Rest of you, what happened? Give me at least the first answer. Ananya, that's incorrect. Same mistake, Ananya, that you're doing. Again and again, I've been telling you something. Suramya, Sarah, Samita, Aryan, what happened? If anyone's not able to solve it, just raise your hand quickly. We need to solve a lot of problems today. We cannot take so much of time for one question. Suramya, no, the answer is incorrect. Okay, Sarah. Why is everybody struggling in expansions? I'm not able to understand. Ishan, let's do all this.
Yes.
What is the missing information that we need to find in order to find this?
X minus 1 upon 3x or
X
x
minus
plus 1 upon
X
3.
minus plus minus 1 upon 3x? Either of the two? Yeah. So
Yes,
now
sir.
we're given x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x to 2.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we already got this. Squaring both
Yeah.
sides. What will we get?
X square plus 1 upon 9x square minus 2 is equal to 4.
2 minus 2 what? The voice was breaking.
Is equal to 4.
Very good. Very, very good. This is your marks. Tell me why.
Yeah, okay. It's x 2 upon 3.
Where will this go? AB go? Remember, I told you A and B are not inversely related. It's not A plus minus 1 upon A. 2 is only applicable if it's A plus minus 1 upon A, right? So x and x gets cancelled. So what do we get? X squared equal to 4. Right? So x plus 2 by 3, which is only Paki got this correct today. Again and again, I've been telling you if this is applicable to 2x or 3x, whatever it might be, then we need to do 2 into AP also. Why is forgotten? Sarah, did you understand this? Paki, the second part is also correct. Did you all understand this, Sarah? Come on, you all can't get this wrong. So Ramya, is this clear? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Quickly solve x4 plus 181 upon x4, everyone. Now quickly do this. I'm not going to solve this. Quickly solve that. We know the value of x squared plus 1 upon x squared. This is now equivalent to 14 by 3. Using this information, we can easily solve the second one. Quickly do it. Ananya, no, check your answer. There's a small mistake in calculation, I guess. You're very close to the answer, some calculation error, I guess. Rest of you, hurry up. Ishan, that is correct. Ananya, let's solve the second one.
Yes, so x raised to 4 plus 1 upon
So first, what do
81.
we know? What do we know? First, we need to write that down.
We know
Right.
that 1 upon 9x square is equal to 14 upon 3.
So I square both sides. So what do I get over here?
X x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 8 plus 2 multiplied by x square.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, yes. 2
Where we-
multiplied by x square, so is equal to 196 upon 9.
Right. Then x squared gets done. So x 196 by 9 minus of 2 by 9,
Yes.
which is 194 by 9. Where did you go wrong?
194. Yes, I forgot about the 2 part.
Why? Where is this 2 by 9 gone?
Yes, sir, I did not write that. So.
Okay. Everyone understood this? Anyone did not get this anyway? Okay, let's do another question. 58. Find x plus 1 by x, and secondly, x squared minus 1 by x squared. Quickly do this now. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 8, find x plus 1 by x and x squared minus 1 by x squared. 5 minutes to solve this. Ananya, simplify. Ishan, simplify the answer. Sarah, simplify the answer. We always have to do it in the most simplified format. The answer is correct, but you need to simplify it. Sarah, Ananya, Ishan, simplify the answer. Aryan, simplify the answer. Whatever answer you have given, we have studied how to simplify it. Please do that. Aryan, that is correct. Go on to the second part. Aryan, but whenever you find a root of something, it's plus minus. Remember that. Ishan, that's correct. Unless the question says that x is greater than 0, then we say only plus. Otherwise, we do plus minus whenever there's a root. Ananya, I want your simplified answer. Sarah, simplified answer. Sarah, that's correct. Ananya, simplify your answer. No, Ananya, you're making a mistake. Ishan, that is correct. Saramya, no, that's incorrect. You're making a small mistake. When you take out 4, what happens? When you take out root 4, what will happen? Paki, let's solve this.
Yes, so x plus 1 upon x whole square
Yeah,
minus x minus 1 upon x is equal to 4.
okay.
Then x plus 1 upon x whole square minus
So what is this?
8
8
square.
minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 4.
Yeah,
Ananya, that is correct. Sarah, that's correct.
now
Yeah, then
64 plus 4 is equal to x plus 1 upon x square.
yeah. So x plus 1
One-
upon x.
no,
so
wait,
x square
x
is
plus
equal
1
to
upon
68.
68. Yeah,
Then
then x is equal to plus minus root 68. Yeah,
yeah.
and then
So what is root 68?
Yeah.
It's nothing but 4 into 17. That's the first answer.
oh,
Do the B1. What
I
about
got
the B1?
stuck there. Like,
Okay. Just take out the factors of 68 and just group it.
okay.
B,
Um,
what's x squared minus 1 upon x squared? How do we find this? Paki, how do we find this?
just a second.
We've done this question earlier, Paki. We've done a very similar one. Come on, quickly do this. Which identity do we know? Paki, what happened? How can you all keep
Yeah.
forgetting this? X plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x, a squared minus b squared, right?
Oh, okay. Then
That is plus minus 2 root 17, 16 root.
into 8, 17.
Everyone clear on this?
Yes.
Okay, let's do another question. Okay, do these two. Come on, this is a very simple answer. Quickly do this one. Ananya, that is correct. Aryan, that is correct. Go on to the second one. Come on, quickly. Sarah, that is correct. Paki, that's correct. Go on to the second one. Ananya, that is correct. Ananya plus minus. Ishan, both are correct. Rajvi, Samita, Suramya, what happened? Oh, Suramya is not there. Samita, let's solve this.
Oh yes, sir.
Tell me.
So a square minus 4a is equal to 1.
Okay.
Then we'll divide on both sides
Okay. So again,
by, yeah, so a minus 4 is equal to 1 upon a.
1 upon e, 1 upon e is equal to 4. That's the first part of
4.
the answer. Why was it taking so much
Yes,
time?
sir. So then, sir, I solved it, but then I thought it was wrong.
Why you think yourselves to be wrong? Have
No, sir.
some confidence. Okay.
Then-
What about a plus 1 upon e? How do I do that?
Sir, so a plus 1 upon a the whole thing square minus a minus 1 upon.
Yeah. Okay.
So then a plus 1 upon a the whole thing square minus 4 square is equal to 4.
Mhm.
Yes.
But what is a plus 1 upon a? Sorry. This is wrong here, right? This is
A plus 1 upon a the whole
e,
thing
the whole
square.
thing square. Then, so what is a plus 1 upon e, the whole thing square equal to?
20.
16 plus 4, which is
Root
is
square
4
of.
into 5. So the plus minus 2 root 5. Right? Everyone clear on this?
Sir, in the first sum, why did we divide both sides by a?
Rajvi, your voice is very faint. Just speak up.
Is it clear now?
No, it's still very low.
1 second. Can you hear me?
Tell me it's still less. Tell me.
Okay. In the first step, why did we divide both sides by a?
How will we get
Like,
a minus 1 upon e from this equation over here? How would we get that? So we just got that so that we can get
Okay,
a
so-
minus 4 is equal to 1a. Then we get transfer it here. Actually, in this step, instead of transferring 1 on the other side, we should have actually done a squared minus 1 is equal directly. So it'll be a minus 1 upon a is equal to 4. Did you get this?
Okay. Sir, but no, where did the a square thing go?
For a, how do we do that? This is a squared divided by a minus 1 by a is
Oh,
equal to
okay,
4a by a,
a,
right?
okay, okay.
So a and a squared and e gets cut. And reference a minus fractions, 5th standard maths. Aryan, yes, you can keep it off. Rajvi, 5th standard maths.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do another question. A simple question, but I'm sure some of you will get this wrong. Expand. A simple equation. Expand 2x plus 1 upon 3x, the whole thing cubed. I'm sure some of you will mess this up also. Please do it carefully. Anyone got the answer? Ishan, that is correct. Come on, it's a very simple question. Sarah, that is correct. Sorry, I thought that was Ishan. Sarah, that's correct. Well done. Ishan, your answer. Well done, Sarah. Ananya, I refuse to check your answer. I'm not going to check it. You tell me why. Ishan, it's correct.
I simplify.
No, you simplified, but where will that 2x go? Is it x or is it 2x?
It's oh,
Oh, who's going to cube 2 also? Stupid mistakes, Ananya. Please focus. I think you're getting too distracted. Aryan, Pakhi, Rajvi, Samita, Suramya, answer. What, Aryan? You're not audible, Aryan. Your voice is very faint. Speak into the mic.
Sir, just a minute, I am solving it.
Okay. Ananya, still a mistake. Take each term separately, Ananya, and solve it. Paki, are you sure there'll be only 3 terms?
Sorry, sir, I accidentally pressed enter.
The last one is wrong. The first 3 were correct. Paki, the last one is wrong. Quickly check what you're doing wrong. Ananya, solve each of them independently and do it. Rajvi, answer. Solve it quickly.
Sir, it is not solving.
What
One
is it not
second.
solving? A plus b the whole thing cube. You have learned this, right? Just a plus b the whole thing cubed. Use that identity and solve it. Have you learned the identity?
Sir, what?
Have you learned the identity? A plus
I've
b-
learned the first 8 or 9 identities, like by heart.
You learn identities by heart only. Which are the ways there to learn identities?
No, like if you learn and then you don't practice, then you forget type
Learning
identity.
is by heart only. You cannot learn without by heart. Rajvi, you'll have to do a little bit more practice. Don't take these
Yes,
chapters
sir.
easily. 9th is not that easy. Paki, that is correct. Don't make stupid mistakes, Paki. Aryan, will this be over today?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's solve this. Aryan, let's solve this.
Okay, sir. Sir, so it will be 2x the whole thing cube plus 1 upon 3x the whole
Samhita, that's
thing
correct.
cube
2x, the whole
plus
thing. cube,
3x
Yeah.
the whole thing cube plus 3 into 2x into plus 1
1
upon
upon
3x.
3x into
1 upon 3x.
into 2x by 1 by 3x,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay.
Sir,
Expand.
so 8x cube plus 1 upon 27. 2 into 2x plus
Can
1
we not
upon
simplify
3x.
this? Aryan, can we not simplify this?
Yes, sir. So after simplifying it gets we get 2 now. So plus
Just
2.
speak into the Aryan, raise the mic to your
Sir, plus 2. Plus
Yeah.
2.
yeah, plus 2 into 2x plus 1 by 3x, right?
Yes, sir.
Because x and x cube plus 1 by
Plus
27x
1
cube.
by 27x
plus-
cube plus 4x plus 2 upon. So, yeah.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
X cube plus 1 upon 27x cube plus 4x plus 2 by 3x. Right? Ananya, where did the 8 go? Conveniently, we can add. Paki, how did you get 2 by 6 in the end?
Sir, I did 2 into 3x. I don't know why.
No, don't stop making these mistakes now. Rajvi, what is a plus b the whole thing cubed?
Sir, I've not learned cube identities.
Tell
I've
me
learned
now.
square
We
identities.
just did this. We just did this up. Tell me.
Okay. A. One second. A cube plus B cube. No, A cube plus AB. Sir, I didn't learn these identities.
When are you planning to do it by next year?
No, I'll do it. No, I was watching all the videos of the portal. And
Learn the
they were
identities. At least there are 21 or 22 identities which you have to learn, whether you watch the videos or not.
Sir, and
Tomorrow, day
Mrs.
after,
Kumar
we'll be
doesn't know how
starting-
to teach. She doesn't teach properly.
So why don't you attend my classes on time?
Sir, I attend. Yesterday I didn't because there was a Wi-Fi issue.
What happened to the other? What happened to the other one? We did this almost a week or 10 days earlier ago.
I don't know, sir. I'd learn.
Rajvi, take it seriously. 9th is not easy. 9th is actually a difficult time. Okay, and these are the
Yes.
basics for 10th exams. There are around 22 identities. Learn them in a day. I told you all to write it down also. 16 of them I've sent you in one snapshot that I gave it to you the other day. If you don't have it, take it with somebody.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Tomorrow or day after, probably I'll be starting factorization. So get up to level on this chapter. Any of you have been given the syllabus for the first unit by any chance? Or have your teachers discussed it anyway? Okay. Any doubts so far in whatever we've been doing? Where is the difficulty? Yes, Sarah?
Sir, from exercise 4E,
Hmm.
I wasn't able to solve 11.3. I did not understand the question.
Okay, can we take it up tomorrow then? First thing tomorrow we'll do is 11E. Yeah? Of
Sir, but you said
4E question 11 third part. What happened, Paki? Your voice is breaking up.
You said that it wasn't in syllabus. Like the
fourth
first
question,
fourth.
yeah, the fourth question was not to be solved. 1, 4, and 10 was not to be solved. I think that was it, right? Yeah,
Oh, I
1,
thought the
4, and 10
11th
was not to
one
be solved.
also. Okay.
Does anybody remember what I told? I don't have the book with me right now. 1 for 10 or 1 for 11? I think it was 1, 4, and 10. I'm not sure. Okay, where are you all struggling in expansions? I'm not able to, understand. Is it the identities which is giving you a problem or the applications of those identities? Where is the problem coming? Anyone? See, unless you learn the identities, the application will be difficult because you always have to remember the identity to be able to relate. Okay. So Ramya, learn the identities, application will automatically come. Because immediately when you know the identity, you know which one to take. And for that, what is the missing figure? What will happen is always, like I've been telling you all, you have been given something. To reach to this answer from the given, there is some missing information which will be required. This will come from the identities. Okay, you have to figure this out. What is this information that I require, which will help me to reach to this answer? For example, if I have x minus 1 upon x, or I need x plus 1 upon to you, I need to mold it to either of these formats. Or if I'm like say given x cubed plus 1 upon x, so I know I need to find x plus 1 3x, right? This is what is missing, because without this I cannot find this. So this is what I need. Then once turtle here. So unless you know the identities, it is going to be very difficult for you to figure this out. Like what we did now, x squared 1 upon x squared. We need to find this plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. That's it, right? But if I don't know the identity that x squared minus 1 upon x squared is equal to 1 x, then how will I know what to find, right? So learn all the identities. This is why I told you to write them down 10 times so that you mug it up and it's there instantly available to you when you're solving. Okay. Please again go through the identities today. Tomorrow we'll take up a few more problems. We'll do one more day of identities before we go to factorization until you're comfortable with them. Right? And in case you have not done the exercises for A, B, C, D, E, please do them. So I'll see you all
Sir?
again. Yeah.
Sir, Mrs. Kumar said she's not going to do 4E because it is not tested. She's only going to discuss some of it.
4E only 1, 4, and 10 I think is cancelled. The rest is there.
Mrs. Kumar told us that she's not going to do any of them. She's just going to discuss a few of them, like just for the concepts and stuff. That's all she said.
No, it's there in the syllabus. So you need to know them.
Okay.
Right? The 9th standard also paper comes from the board. It's part of the board syllabus. Right? So that's it for today. I'll connect with you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. You can log in for science now.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.